Pick up my phone. Still connected. This video's beginnings are really rough. I already dropped my phone twice after stopping recording to get my phone. But, so today, welcome to Weekly Art Inspirations, guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day, whatever day it is for you guys. Today we are going to be doing I have to look at my phone, the 30-minute Monday challenge. It is not Monday, but we're going to be doing it. It'll also be later than when this is actually originally posted, but it is on Twitter. I don't know if I can get my phone to show that correctly, but you can find the Twitter handle is 30minute which is for 30-minute Monday. This was brought up to me and shown to me by an awesome subscriber of the channel called Cherry Witchery, and I want to thank you so much for letting me know about this. Props to you. Definitely go check them out. Thanks again for letting me know about this. But I am going to be doing this picture for the week. It is of a jellyfish. It's kind of hard to see. Yes, that was my father texting me. Of course, right at the exact wrong moment while I'm trying to film. That's always how it goes. Anyways, so that is going to be what I'm going to be drawing. I'm not sure what mediums I'm going to be using, so you will find out as I'm working on it, but thank you again to Cherry Witchery. Be sure to check out this Twitter handle. It's a great place to find different information to do the weekly kind of practice. Different things to try, different things to do. So with that said, let's get started. So like most of my videos, I'm using Winsor Newton as my watercolor. I'm using I believe it's a pentel watercolor brush. But I did kind of the sandy colors. I wanted to do the shadows and different things. This was a really great practice for me because I don't usually do kind of more random objects. I like doing kind of creature illustrations, so it was a really good practice on doing light and shadows and seeing what I really wanted to do with it. And honestly, it went by a lot faster than it went by a lot slower than I thought it would. Here's the finished product. I had so much fun doing this. Thank you again to Cherry Witchery for letting me know about this awesome thing. If you guys would like me to see more of these, please let me know. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and remember, when we hit 50 subscribers, that little guy will be given away to one of you lucky subscribers, so let your friends know, let everyone know. And just remember, guys, you are amazing. There's some more videos on the side. I love you. Stay inspired, stay amazing, and be incredible. Bye, guys.